Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how to install VirtualBox and how to use our computers as multi install operating system. You can use the single host PC. This is the physical PC that can I touch, that can I use right now is called host, and in other terms, the PC, the real PC, the physical PC that allows installation or that allows VirtualBox installation takes place is called the host PC, and the other one that we install on the top of the real or the physical PC or the host is called gust. That means the one that run virtualizer application. There are many virtualizer operating system or application. Application. For instance, it's Oracle is the best known virtualizer software or application system, and also there is VMware. That's also another best one. Uh, there are also Hyper-V. So we can use all of this to create virtual machine on the top of the existing one. So let's go and see how to install VirtualBox. You can get the uh, the VirtualBox application from the Oracle software here, or you can get from the thing. I will attach the link in the description later. So to save our time, I already download this VirtualBox. So let us go and install together. This is VirtualBox application here. So we're going to double click here. It's so simple. Next. So next. Uh, these are optional. You can uncheck, but it's better to check it and install. This is user access control. I click yes. Okay, let's start and finish. We are already installed VirtualBox. This is the interface for the VirtualBox. It's called VirtualBox Manager. I already before installed Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows Server 2016, GUI and non-GUI and Kali. That is why this one is restored. So after we install this VirtualBox, let us see how to install Windows 10 operating system. So to do that, uh, go to Tools here, then go to a New here. Then we are going to give the name Windows 10, Windows 10. The best feature for VirtualBox is when we write the name here, it's pop up the version by default. Look at here, it's a Windows 10 64. So you can select from here the version, the bit 64 and 32-bit. For the time being, let's click to 64 here and click next. So we should create the environment for the VirtualBox. So this is RAM for the VirtualBox. We can maximize or minimize by using this pattern, or you can plus and minus here. But don't forget to remember for the host we need much more um, RAM, because this one virtual machine is run on the top of the existing or the top of the host. So if you make it 4 GB or 3 or 5, the performance for your virtual machine will become too good. But don't forget for your host. So uh, 2048 megabytes is equal to almost 2 GB. So I used this one as default. That is enough for me. So create virtual hard disk here. Create virtual hard disk. This is the way to option the file type. So VDI is the default file type for VirtualBox. So I use this one. You can use fixed size or dynamic size, but I prefer dynamic because uh, the size will be increment when your storage is full. When your storage becomes full, uh, we can resize the file dynamically here. So choose dynamically allocated and next. This is the path where the virtual OS or the virtual Windows 10 machine operating system will be stored on the C. You can change by clicking here. But, and also this is the hard disk. You can use 14, 50 as you wish. I want to do 15 GB for the hard disk and click. So here you go. Our virtual machine is great here as you see. So to see the details one, you can click this button as you see. Click here and see details. Right now it's empty. You can look at here, it's empty. But when you click to details, all the history related to RAM and hard disk and other virtual resource will be listed. Look at here. This is the system, the memory, the RAM one. This is general information. This is the storage. So you can change here. You can change everything as you want. So now let us go and install Windows 10. To do so, go and click to the setting here. Don't forget to be on the new machine that you create here. So hard disk 50 GB. Where is that? The storage you got here. It's 50 GB. The RAM is 3. So after we check this one, go and click on the setting. Then go to storage here. Then click to empty this one, empty. And this is little disk at the right. Click over that. Then choose a disk or create. You can use two of them. Let us choose to create to attach the Windows 10 ISO file. What is ISO file? It's the archive copy of CD or DVD that contain the file and also the file system that allows us to boot from our computer. So to save the time, I already downloaded Windows 10. So let me go to my PC here. CE. It's my uh, here is my Windows 10 ISO file. So here it is. It's already click. Then click on choose. Now Windows 10 ISO file is pop up here as you see. So let's go and click OK. It's so simple. Look at here, Windows 10.vdi. Before this one was empty. You remember we are going to click on the empty. Now it is Windows 10. ISO file is mounted here. So let us go and click start. So this is the interface to install Windows 10. This is language, so I use English, United States, and US keyboard type, input type. Click next and install. This is activation key, so I don't have key. I will click, I don't have product key here. The version is, I want to install Windows 10 Pro Professional here because it has best feature than the Home Edition, the Education Edition. Pro is has best features. Next, I accept the license agreement. Next. This one upgrade is if you already before install Windows 10 ISO file, you can upgrade here. But now I'm using custom to install initially from this tab. Here is 50 GB, the size of our hard disk that you set before on the VirtualBox environment. So click that and next. It's already started the installation process. It takes some minutes, so be patient and wait until it's finished, until it's complete. Okay, the installation is complete and let us restart now. Don't press any key. Okay. Let us select the region. Mm, I'm living right now in United States, so select United States. Keyboard layout. I use US English standard. Let me skip this one. You can configure this one later on computer configurations with me. Okay, set up for personal use. Next. Okay, this is account. Give your name or email as you want. For the time being, let me say, Bob. Bob, yeah. Next. Enter. Right. Okay. This is email. You can press this one. I think. What is it? Yeah. You can say here offline account. Yeah. Click on the limited experience here because it takes so many time. Email something. This is your account name. Bob. Password. Confirm your password. Okay, security, remembrance. Mm, select question from here. City name. You can configure this one later on the privacy setting. For the time being. Let me off all the setting here. Accept. Click on now. Cortana, not enough. All the steps, how to install VirtualBox and how to install the Windows 10 operating system on the top of the VirtualBox. So finally, after the installation is complete, don't forget to remove the disk by going to and click here on the device. Here is optical drive here. Don't forget to remove this disk, the virtual disk. And finally, uh, to work with this virtual machine together with the host. That means if you want to move the folder from the host machine from this to this on the guest machine, or if you want to make copy paste or drag and drop, it's limited. So to do that, uh, we should going to click on the input here. I mean not in the input, click and go and click on the device, then go to here, drag and drop, change to bi-directional here. Okay. To make drag and drop possible from the host machine to the guest machine, we should install the guest action here. From guest action, click on that. Yeah, the CD is already inserted. Go and click on the file explorer. Yeah, you should install this one first. Click on yes, next, next, install. Click on the install. Okay, it asks us to reboot. Okay, finish. Click on the insert Control Alt Delete. Okay, let us try copy and paste right now. Okay, so after we install the gust action mode, this one, go and click on the device, then go to drop, gain drop, change to disable, then change to bidirectionality. So let us finish all the settings together. This one is for drag and drop. This short clipboard is just to make copy and paste. I mean, disable. Then go and click bidirectional. Uh, okay, that's enough. Refresh, then try, drag and drop. Here you go. The file is already accessible from the host machine to our guest. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and share. Thank you for your time. We will see next time.